Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the personal blog label from your Instagram profile. If you have switched from a personal blog to a different type of account or just wanted a cleaner look, I have got you covered. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the three lines at the top right. And once you are on the settings menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option that says Creator Tools and Controls. Just tap on that and tap on the option that says Switch Account Type and tap on Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will ask you to confirm, so tap on Switch to Personal Account again. And that's it. You have successfully removed the personal blog category from your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.